Good morning, everyone. Happy spring. It is Monday, March 23rd. We are officially into spring. I definitely have a lot of cleaning up to do. I've been having a hankering for some muffins, so I think I'm going to attempt to make some sourdough muffins. I don't know how well it's gonna go, but I am curious to try, so we're gonna be doing that today. So I ran the dishwasher last night, so I just have a bunch of dishes to put away. I made a little bit of garlic powder last night because I was running low. It's still very low. I got some more garlic, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and dehydrate some more of that just so I can grind it up. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that now just because it'll take about 24 hours to dehydrate. So I have 10 cloves here. 10 is a good start. I'm just kind of dicing it up now. That way it dries a lot faster. Last thing I'm going to be doing is feeding my starter. It looks pretty happy already. It's a few hours later. I've got about 3 hours left on the dehydrator. My sourdough is ready. I think I have all the ingredients. Flour over here, baking powder, duck eggs, sugar, unsalted butter, whipping cream, vanilla, some sourdough, some lemon, and then salt. 2 eggs, half a cup of sugar, and then you cut in half again, and then half again. Perfect. All right. 1 cup of sourdough. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. This is about 1 cup, about 2/3 of a cup. 1. I just made a cream cheese filling. It's just cream cheese, lemon juice, sugar, and vanilla. So I just sprayed some oil in these. Now I'm just going to show you how I assemble them. So there's still some left in here. We're going to use that later. I just need to scoop some of this cream cheese filling. They are all set and ready to go in. So the timer says 22 minutes. I'm setting them for 15, and then I'll probably go for another 5 minutes. Just, I like to check them early.